Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. So this is the most important video of the entire data science playlist. In this video we will cover the neural networks and its application. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is the neural networks? So it is the combination of two words, which is neural and networks. The neural means simply the neurons, and networks means connected to each other. And also it is the most preferable topics in the research area. Okay, so it is just like our human brain. So neural network is the combination of neural plus networks, and human brain is the combination of neurons plus connections. Okay, so now understand what is the neural networks. Okay, so inside human brain, so firstly inside the human brain there is a lots of neurons, okay, and which are interrelated to each other, okay, interconnected to each other. So those connectivity helps them flow the information and data, process it and pass the data in very less time. Okay, so this is the going on in the human human brain. Okay, so and many learning algorithm works in human brain, learn from the experience and learn data itself. So these are the algorithm which is already which will run in the human brain basically learns the experience. Okay, so what are doing in neurons, when you will again go to the office, actually yeah, so what are doing in neural networks, we want to implement the same thing in machines, and how the human brain works, this is called the neural networks. Okay, and what is our aim to implementing these neural networks? Yeah, firstly we need to clarify our aim also. So the main aim is to copy the human brain. Okay, we want to make the copy as it is the human brain. Okay, and we want to do all the task by the machine, because the machine have a high computational power. So if the machine can do the tasks, so it is very easy to solve any problem. Okay, so the main aim is to copy the human brain as it in the machines, and make them learn from their experience, and we are implementing the same thing here. Okay, why need the neural networks if already have a supercomputer? Yeah, this is the most important questions. So if we calculate the power of 8 to the power of 8 using the human brain, so it takes more time as compared to the machine. Yeah, so what are the areas of normal computer will not perform? Okay, so you can see, we make this, so our aim is simply, so we make the thing simpler. Okay, we want to make the thing simpler, that's why we implement the neural networks. So consider an example. So yeah, consider the example for better understanding. Let's say you go the first day at your office, you meet so many peoples, you recognize their faces. When you will again go to the office the next day, your brain will detect and recognize those faces. So many people so may have saved or trimmed, but you will recognize them. Appearance may have been changed little, means the human brain learns and trains. Okay, if we want to do the same thing on the normal computer, it will have to the it will firstly it will have to scan the all images, but it will fail because it will not proper it will not give the proper performance. Okay, it will inaccurate. So the normal computer not do it accurately, because you need to feed all the facial expression that he is making. It generates the output on the basis of what you feed to it as he will make the new expression, the computer will not recognize it. Okay, so working with the natural neurons to the machine. So in biological neurons we have dendrites. Yeah, this is the biological neurons. Okay, fetch the input. So dendrites, simply we know that very well. Dendrites is fetch the input, and our cell body which use the processing. Cell body means simply the cells of our body. It process the action which will transfer from the dendrites. Okay, and axioms through which the data is passed. Axioms pass the data. Okay, terminals dendrites, they will connect it to the next dendrites further. Okay, so this is the network. So simply the machine neurons. So the machine neurons here, x1, x2 and x3 are input. So this is the machine neurons. Okay, and w1, w2 are the associated bits. So this is used for passing the actions. Okay, with that, on the basis of this, we apply the mathematical functions like sigma, sigmoid. If we use the linear function here, sigma x1 w1 plus sigma x2 w2 plus sigma x3 w3, and then these functions can generate the sum output with the threshold value. We compare this. Okay, and what is the application? So simply Google Assistance. We can simply tell the question to the our Google Assistant, then it process the our voice. Okay, and make some calculations, then give the then give output. Okay, and application, and it is another example to predict whether the patient will die. So our target variable, and there is that. So based on the two feature, sex and age. Okay, so in this, so I hope you will clear understand. But in simple way, if I summarize, so we will do the task just like the human brain. And human brain, and how the human brain works, it simply learns from experience. So our aim is simple, to the learn to train the machine based on the past data, and generates the output. Okay, so I hope you will clear understand with this topic. So thank you. We will meet in the next video.